Question number 1. Which was India's first lunar mission? Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, Mangalyaan, Aryabhatta 2. And the right answer is Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1 was the first Indian lunar probe under the Chandrayaan program. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization in October 2008. Question number 2. What year was Chandrayaan 1 launched? 2008, 2010, 2013, 2016. And the right answer is 2008. Chandrayaan 1 was launched in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. Question number 3. Chandrayaan 2 included an orbiter, lander, and what? Options are rover, sub-satellite, weather station, telescope. And the right answer is rover. It consists of a lunar orbiter and formerly included the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover, all of which were developed in India. Question number 4. What was the name of the lander in Chandrayaan 2? Vikram, Pragyan, Gaganyaan, Agni. And the right answer is Vikram. It consists of a lunar orbiter and formerly included the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover, all of which were developed only in India. Question number 5. Which organization is responsible for Chandrayaan missions? ISRO, NASA, ESA, CNSA. And the right answer is ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization is the National Space Agency of India. It operates as the primary research and development arm of the Department of Space, which is directly overseen by the Prime Minister of India. Question number 6. What was the primary objective of Chandrayaan 1? Study the moon's surface, search for extraterrestrial life, explore Mars' atmosphere, observe Saturn's rings. And the correct answer is study the moon's surface. The scientific goals included the study of chemical, mineralogical, and photogeologic mapping of the moon. Question number 7. Which mineral was discovered on the moon by Chandrayaan 1? Water, ice, gold, platinum, diamonds. And the answer is water, ice. Chandrayaan 1 made a significant discovery by confirming the presence of water molecules on the moon, especially in the polar regions. Number 8. What is the name of the orbiter in Chandrayaan 2? Chandrayaan 2 orbiter, Vikram orbiter, Gaganyaan orbiter, Pragyan orbiter. And the right answer is Chandrayaan 2 orbiter. It consists of a lunar orbiter and formerly included the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover, all of which were developed in India. Number 9. Chandrayaan 2 was launched aboard which rocket? GSLV Mk3, PSLV, GSLV Mk2, Falcon 9. And the right answer is GSLV Mk3. The Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle project was initiated in 1990 with the objective of acquiring an Indian launch capability for geosynchronous satellites. Number 10. What was the main scientific goal of Chandrayaan 2? Study lunar exosphere, search for ancient fossils, examine Mars geology, investigate Venus climate. And the right answer is study lunar exosphere. The primary objectives of the Chandrayaan 2 lander were to demonstrate the ability to soft land and operate a robotic rover on the lunar surface. Number 11. Chandrayaan 2's orbiter carried instruments for which type of analysis? Options are spectroscopic analysis, seismic analysis, atmospheric analysis, biological analysis. And the correct answer is spectroscopic analysis. Spectroscopic analysis is executed to determine lunar surface mineralogy and their abundance using hyperspectral data. Question number 12. Which region of the moon was the landing site for Chandrayaan 2's lander? South Pole, Mare Serenitatis, Tycho crater, Sinus Iridum. And the correct answer is South Pole. On 23rd August 2023, it landed near the moon's south pole. It took 41 days to reach the moon's surface. Number 13. What is the name of the rover carried by Chandrayaan 2? Pragyan, Vikram, Aryabhata, Curiosity. And the right answer is Pragyan. Pragyan has a mass of about 27 kg and dimensions of 0.9 meter, 0.75 meter, 0.85 meter with a power output of 50 watts. It is designed to operate on solar power. Number 14. Chandrayaan 2 was launched from which spaceport in India? Options are Satish Dhawan Space Center, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Tomba Spaceport, Sriharikota Spaceport. And the right answer is Satish Dhawan Space Center. Satish Dhawan Space Center SDSC is the primary spaceport of the Indian Space Research Organization located in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. 15. Which country's flag was painted on the sides of Chandrayaan 2? India, USA, China, Russia. And the right answer is India. The national flag of India, colloquially called Tiranga, is a horizontal rectangular tricolor colors being of India, saffron, white and green, with the Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel in navy blue at its center. 16. Which Chandrayaan mission successfully reached lunar orbit but lost communication during landing? Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 3, Chandrayaan 4. And the answer is Chandrayaan 2. After a 47-day journey, Chandrayaan 2's landing module went silent when Vikram, the lander, was just 2 km from the lunar surface. Number 17. Chandrayaan 1 helped discover evidence of water molecules on the moon in the form of what? Hydroxyl ions, liquid water, gaseous water vapor, ice crystals. And the answer is hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl ions are polyatomic ions with a negative charge consisting of hydrogen and oxygen. 18. Chandrayaan 2's orbiter was designed to operate how long? 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, 3 years. And the correct answer is 1 year. Chandrayaan 2's orbiter is designed to operate in a 100 by 100 km lunar polar orbit for 1 year. (19) What was the primary objective of Chandrayaan 3? To attempt a soft landing on the moon, to orbit Mars, to explore Saturn's rings, to study asteroids. And the right answer is to attempt a soft landing on the moon. The primary object of Chandrayaan 2 was to attempt a soft landing on the moon. 20. Chandrayaan missions are named after which word? Moon, space, star, rocket. And the correct answer is moon. The mission was a major boost to India's space program as India researched and developed indigenous technology to explore the moon. Thank you so much for watching.